Hola amigos! If you've already learned how to count from 0 to 99 in Spanish, felicidades! Today we're moving into the hundreds, from 100 to 900. Let's go! Let's start with the hundreds. 100 in Spanish is...
100.
Remember that C followed by E or I makes a th sound in European Spanish, and the letter I makes an E sound. Cien. Let's hear it again.
100.
When you go above 100, cien turns into...
100.
Let's look at counting from 100 onwards in Spanish. So, 100 is...
100.
101 is...
101.
102 is...
102.
103 is...
103.
etc. 125 is...
125.
146 is...
146.
172 is...
172.
etc. Quiz moment. What is 191 in Spanish?
$191.
Then we get to 200, which in Spanish is...
200.
This is literally 200. Let's hear it again.
200.
And then the numbers in the 200s are exactly the same as in the 100s. So we have 201, which is...
201.
213 is...
213.
266 is...
266.
And 289 is...
289.
Quiz moment. How would you say 275 in Spanish?
$275.
300 and 400 in Spanish follow the same pattern as 200. 300 in Spanish is...
300.
And 400 in Spanish is...
400.
Let's hear them both again.
300. 400.
So 338 is...
338.
394 is...
394.
402 is...
402.
And 454 is...
454.
Quiz time. What is 364 in Spanish?
$364.
And what is 481 in Spanish?
$481.
Now let's look at 500, which does not follow quite the same pattern. 500 in Spanish is...
500.
This is different because it comes directly from its Latin roots. In Latin, 500 is quingenti, and so in Spanish this became quinientos. Let's hear 500 again.
500.
501 is therefore...
501.
516 is,
516.
and 549 is.
549.
Quiz moment. What is 532 in Spanish?
532.
600 goes back to the usual pattern of the words 6 and 100.
600.
Let's hear 600 again.
600.
628 is.
628.
671 is.
671.
And 695 is.
695.
Okay, quiz moment. What is 643 in Spanish?
643.
Next is 700, which is another number that comes from its Latin roots. 700 in Spanish is.
700.
You can remember it by thinking of sete being a short form of siete. Let's hear 700 again.
700.
710 is.
710.
719 is.
719.
And 743 is.
743.
Quiz moment. What is 786 in Spanish?
786.
800 follows the main pattern and is.
800.
In Spanish. Let's hear 800 again.
800.
837 is.
837.
869 is.
869.
And 888 is.
888.
Quiz moment. What is 840 in Spanish?
840.
And then finally 900. Like 500 and 700, 900 in Spanish is drawn from its Latin roots. 900 in Spanish is.
900.
Again, you can remember it by thinking of nobe being a short form of nueve. Let's hear 900 again.
900.
So 952 is.
952.
973 is.
973.
And 995 is.
995.
Okay, and quiz moment. What is 926 in Spanish?
926.
Awesome job. Now you know how to count in the hundreds. In the next video, we'll go even bigger, thousands and millions. If you liked this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more Spanish Made Simple, and check out the full playlist for counting from 0 to 99 too. Nos vemos.